Hello everyone, welcome to my 23rd tutorial of Lumion version 11. This is Mayuri Wag. In this tutorial, we will see the Lumion basic settings of the movie mode. And here is we applying the sound effect and rendering the movie. So first of all, we click on sound option. Here is multiple sounds of beach, then jungle, night mode, jungle loss mode, then in the location here is airport sound, then airport interior sound, then cafe sound, then here is farm roaster sound, then ferry sound, next museum sound, then frog sound. You have to choose the one of them and click on the movie. Also have people sound are here, concert sound, then clapping sound, crowd sound, etc. We choose the nature sound here. Click on here to add this sound. Also you can number of times add your sound. Then click on select button. Then you have click on one sound. You have to change its minimum distance range where your distance along. Then click on movie. Select the clips of here. I previously done this clip. Simply I play this clip. Here is applying our sound effect in the movie. Then I have to render the movie. You can applying the birds here. We go back to the home in build mode. Then I applying the animals here. I applying birds, flying birds here. Then click on movie mode, play the movie. Here is our bird is moving the rendering. Render the clip in HD. Then save. Your movie is rendering. It takes some time to render. Here is our movie is almost rendered. I open it. So here is our movie. with applying the sound effect. Our movie is minimum length of 9 seconds. You can add additional clips to moving the time. So, remaining part we will discuss in next video. Thank you.